I saw her hair like the branch of a tree, willow dancing on air before covering me, under cotton and calicos, over canopied dapple long ago. True that love in withdrawal was the weeping of me, that the sound of this soul must be known by the tree, must be felt for to fight the cold. Fretted fire, but that was long ago. It's not tonight, but I said a lie. Now blinking sun, your blinding light. Oh, it's not tonight. Of ash, I saw eyes in the heat, settle soft and as pure as snow. I fell in love with the fire long ago. With each love I could lose, I was never the same. Watching still living roots be consumed by the flame. I was fixed on your hand.